Let me share with you an awesome micro SaaS story and how this founder crossed 2K in MRR. So the founder here is Liz Herman, and their product is StageTimer, and they grew to 2K MRR with just 400 paying users. That article is actually a little older, and I think they're around 10K now, but these are the lessons from when they reached 2K. And so in terms of what the product is, it's a remote controlled countdown timer. So you can show a full screen timer to your presenter while you control it from another device. It's trusted by over 7,000 video producers and event organizers, and it lets you keep your event on track with an accurate timer and rundown. So let's dive into the story here. And this was written on FounderBeat, so I leave a link to this article in the description below. But in terms of what inspired them to start the product, Liz's husband and co-founder visited a friend's studio and saw him start a timer in front of the presenter, then run back to the control area. He then thought there must be some cloud-based tool you can control remotely, but when he did a quick search on Google, it turns out there wasn't anything that could do that. And after creating a simple version, he made some iterations and posted about it on Reddit. And he got his first users from this post, all free at that point, and quite a bit of feedback on how to make this tool more useful. It took them 4 months to get 50 customers, and the main strategy at this point was posting on Reddit and getting word of mouth from early adopters. In terms of their technology stack, it's Node, Express, MongoDB, Vue.js for the front end, as well as Firebase. In terms of some of their biggest insights, it's that when it comes to entrepreneurship, all it takes is being curious about something and trying things around. Both the co-founder and them have tried many things in the past, and it's always come from paying attention to the world around them, getting curious about things, and giving them a try. In terms of how they price, it's on a monthly plan, but something they noticed was that a lot of people were just subscribing and then canceling immediately. And so they created this single event plan. So it's 10 days, no subscription, and you're going for a one-time payment. And they said this reduced their churn to basically 0, as there were many people who were just looking to use the timer for one singular project. They didn't want to pay monthly. I think that's an instantly useful pricing plan here. I don't see it too much. It's usually just a subscription base, but it's really going to depend on your product audience and their needs. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm sure you want to build your own micro SaaS. There's a link in the description below where you can get sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email. So again, there's a link in the description below for that. I also have a course on how to build your own micro SaaS, even if you don't have a product idea or any experience. It's a step-by-step video academy with over 5 hours of video content. So I'll leave a link in the description below for that as well, and make sure you check it out. So this is going to conclude the video on how they got to 400 plus users and 2K in MRR. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, as I'm coming out with new SaaS videos all the time. If you have any questions or comments, leave one below, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.